Guys, Miguel here, another quick video. This one is on this 70 Mi dash cam. This is the model M Drive D08. It's like, forgot what light version this is, but I just recently installed it, and
Show my starts recording.
that's what it looks like right there. I did a drive around video. I'm gonna upload that one too, but it was very hard to record on my phone and make the video itself. This is my fourth 70 Mi camera. One is on my Volkswagen, one is on my Miata, and another one is on my 4Runner, and another one is on my son's Honda Civic, except they have the ones with no screen. I bought this particular camera because it was $32 on Amazon. I'll post an Amazon link on the description. Comes with, you can actually move this around so that you can angle the recording, the camera, so that you can move it around. And I have it behind my rear view mirror so that I don't get distracted by it watching it while I'm driving. If anything were to happen, I have the 70 Mi app on my phone for all of the other ones. I'll add this one on. But the nice thing about this is, number one, it's $32, and number two, it has a screen. And I think this actually, you could slide it off and slide it on the mount right there.
Emergency video.
Let's see if I can just slide it back on. There you go. Slid it back on without any hassle. Turns off when you turn off the car. It's going to tell you a couple things right now.
Low battery. Please connect to the car charger.
And then it's going to shut off. Dun, 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 dun.
Recording complete.
There you go.
Show my stops recording.
And then it'll just turn back on every time you start your car. There you go. If you're looking for a cheap dash cam with a screen, this might be it for you. Amazon link will be on the description. Thanks for watching.